A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're trying to find your bill details on the Orange app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Orange app. Launch the Orange app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your bill details. Step 2. Navigate to Account section. Once you're in the app, look for the Account or My Account section. This is usually found in the bottom navigation bar. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account section, find and tap on Billing Information or Bill Details. This will take you to a page with your current and past bills. Step 4. View your bill. Choose the specific bill you want to check. You can view details like the amount due date, and any additional charges. Step 5. Download or share it. If you need a copy of your bill, look for the option to download or share it. This is often represented by a download icon or a share button. Sometimes, the app may take a moment to load your billing details, so be patient if it doesn't appear immediately. I hope this helps you easily check your bill details.